To fix a Chromecast with a blinking red light, start by understanding what the blinking red light indicates. This light typically signifies that the device has overheated or is experiencing a hardware issue. First, ensure your Chromecast is properly ventilated, as overheating is a common cause of this problem. Move any obstructing devices or objects away from the Chromecast to improve airflow. Next, try restarting your Chromecast to do this. Unplug the device from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This simple reset can often resolve the issue. If the blinking red light persists, check your power source. Ensure that you are using the original power adapter and cord that came with the Chromecast, as third-party alternatives may not provide sufficient power. Additionally, inspect the HDMI port on your TV and the Chromecast for any signs of damage or debris. Clean out any dust or dirt that may be obstructing the connection and try a different HDMI port if possible. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to perform a factory reset on your Chromecast. To do this, press and hold the button on the back of the Chromecast for about 25 seconds, or until the light begins to blink white. Finally, if the problem continues after trying these steps, it may indicate a more serious hardware issue, and you may need to contact Google support for further assistance or consider replacing the device. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and potentially fix the issue causing your Chromecast to blink red, getting you back to streaming your favorite content in no time.